I'm Lolly and thanks for tuning in to watch my Oakwood Theme Park vlog. This was our first trip to Oakwood Theme Park in Wales and we were excited to visit. We were staying in Tenby and it was about a 15-minute drive to the park. We got there at 10:30 as the park was staying open till 10 o'clock at night as part of their after dark nights. I'd booked my tickets online before we went. I saved money by using my Tesco reward points for 2 tickets and I'd also signed up to Kids Pass, which meant one of my children went free with an adult ticket. It's worth doing as Kids Pass did a 30-day offer for £1. When you walk into the entrance, you can get the train or do the 2-minute walk into the park. They didn't have paper maps and we found we had no phone reception, so couldn't go on the website. My top tip is to take a photo of the map from the website or a photo of the map around the park. We found it quite spread out and it was bigger than I was expecting, which helped with the amount of people there. I'd recommend going on Megafobia first as this ride had one of the biggest queues. They have recently retracked part of the track, which you can see in the video. An issue we did have with Oakwood was that we found that there is no queue times at the entrance of the ride, and as there is no app you can't look on there either. So once you get in that queue you've actually got no idea how long you're going to have to queue for, which can be frustrating, especially when you have kids with you. Other theme parks we've been to, we've relied on queue times to get on the most rides we can, so I'd love it if this was introduced at Oakwood. This is the UK's tallest sky swing and it's called Vertigo. This is the only ride you have to pay extra for and it's £30 for 3 people. There are limited time slots, so they do recommend booking on arrival or when buying your tickets online. It was fun watching them as they flew over our heads. This is the boating lake, which is great if you want to have a break from the rides. This was popular and we did queue for around about 30 minutes. Our kids were allowed to do the pedalling and you get a great view of Megafobia from here. And this is onto the Neverland part of the park. This area is aimed more at little ones, but that didn't stop my kids going on the rides. The Fab Pirate Falls log flume ride is in this part of the park. We found this one had a long queue as sometimes only one person was getting in each log. We did actually end up getting soaked. And now this is the train I was talking about at the beginning of the video. You can catch it at the entrance and it will take you into the park near Vertigo, or you can do the 2-minute walk. As you can see, the train only runs at certain times, so something to be aware of if you want to ride it. I think it's a good way of seeing a different view of the park. We came across the indoor arcade. This would be good if it was raining. Luckily for us, we had beautiful sunshine this day. I filmed this as the seagulls are crazy here. They are so confident, and we saw one lady surrounded by them, but that's because she was feeding them. There were also wasps around, but they did have wasp deterrents hanging up. You can see the yellow one on the corner of the ice cream shop. The pizza place in Spooky Street had a vegan pizza on the menu. I thought the food was expensive. It was $10.99 for a burger and chips. We took a picnic with us and found this picnic chalet near Spooky Street if you wanted to eat inside. You can get your hand stamped to get out of the park and come back in again. There were plenty of tables or grass to sit on. Just watch out for the seagulls and wasps if you're there in the summer. I hope you enjoyed my Oakwood Theme Park vlog. Please like and subscribe for more vlogs coming soon. If you've got any questions, please drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.